I want to show you the easiest dessert. We have people coming over tonight, and I had pretty much no time to make a dessert, but I'm going to wing it with one of my all-time favorites. These are pears. They're kind of sauteing down in this skillet with just a wee pinch of salt. But then, my secret ingredient is I'm going to add some Marsala and just let them cook down. There we go. I think I'm going to use the rest of that. Yeah, there wasn't a whole lot left, so that'll just bubble down and reduce, and it's going to give these a wonderful flavor. And then you might have wondered what I'm doing here. I'm just toasting. There you see it. I am toasting some store-bought pound cake. It'd be smart for me to just like not touch this with my finger. And you just want to get the grill marks on it, and you're going to warm it up a little bit, and that's all. So what we'll do is we'll serve this toasted pound cake with the sauteed pears. Those will saute down and get really nice and caramelized. This is great with any fruit, apples, peaches, plums. I'm just kind of using a seasonal fruit. Pears tended to be the thing today, so we're gonna cook those down. I might add a little bit of cardamom because I love cinnamon's earthy cousin, and it'll really blend nicely with pears. It'll go really well. So that's my super quick and easy dessert for my company tonight, and you can certainly try this at home. So we'll be back with the finished product. And while we're here, I had to show off the latest artwork from grandson Rowan. He made a little pig. It's so cute. And they're learning their alphabet. A is for apple. How adorable. If you have a refrigerator full of grandkids stuff, you've got to link your photos below.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, that's usually a staple in the summer.
Yeah, because it's just so easy. Anything where you can just like do. Yeah. Probably there was a little bit of honey in it.
Pears are really good, y'all.
Thank you.
They don't even taste like pears, it tastes like...
All right, so did you like the pears?
Yes, ma'am. Absolutely. It's great.
Yes, they're great.
I think the pears are getting 2 thumbs up here.
Loved them.
Awesome. Okay.
Yes.
He's the #1 taste tester.